Learn how to be strong, make good decisions, and believe in them. Building these skills takes time and practice, but I'm here to offer some advice that might help you along the way. Self-awareness. To make strong decisions, start by understanding yourself better. Reflect on your values, strengths, weaknesses, and goals. This self-awareness will help you align your decisions with your core beliefs and aspirations. Knowledge gathering. Gather as much information as you can about the situation at hand. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Read, research, seek advice from experts, and gather insights from various sources. Consider pros and cons. List the pros and cons of each option you're considering. This will give you a clearer picture of the potential outcomes and help you evaluate which decision aligns with your goals. Trust your intuition. Sometimes, your gut feeling can guide you in the right direction. If you've done your research and have a good understanding of the situation, trusting your intuition can be valuable. Start small. Making decisions can be overwhelming, especially if you're not used to it. Start by making smaller decisions and gradually work your way up to bigger ones. This will help you build confidence in your decision-making abilities. Learn from mistakes. It's natural to make mistakes along the way. Instead of dwelling on them, view them as learning opportunities. Analyze what went wrong, how you can improve, and apply these lessons to future decisions. Seek feedback. Don't hesitate to seek advice from mentors, friends, or family members you trust. They can provide different perspectives that might help you see the situation from a new angle. Stay positive. Believing in your decisions requires a positive mindset. Focus on your strengths, past successes, and remind yourself that you're capable of making good choices. Practice resilience. Building mental and emotional strength is important. When faced with challenges, try to maintain a resilient attitude. This will help you stay determined and focused on your decisions. Embrace uncertainty. Understand that not all outcomes can be predicted. Sometimes, even the best decisions might not yield the expected results. Embracing uncertainty can reduce anxiety and help you stay open to adapting your plans. Set goals. Clearly define your short-term and long-term goals. This will give you a framework to base your decisions on. When you see your decisions contributing to your goals, it becomes easier to believe in them. Celebrate achievements. When your decisions lead to positive outcomes, celebrate your achievements. Recognizing your successes will boost your confidence and reinforce your belief in your decision-making abilities. Stay open to change. Flexibility is key to making good decisions. Sometimes, situations evolve, and you might need to adjust your course. Being open to change demonstrates adaptability and strength. Visualize success. Imagine the successful outcomes that can result from your decisions. Visualization can help you build confidence and reinforce your belief in the choices you make. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness techniques can help you stay present and focused. This can reduce anxiety and allow you to make decisions with a clear and calm mind. Becoming strong and confident in decision-making is a journey. It's okay to have moments of doubt, but by practicing these tips consistently, you'll gradually develop the skills you need. Each decision you make is an opportunity to learn and grow. Good luck on your journey to becoming a more confident decision maker.